In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now use this plus at the top right one to add a new one, and adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click repeat and pick days of the week. Select done to save them and click on alarm sound. Now you can tap on add new to pick any song from your device, tap on it and this way set it up, or tap on one of those. Then click label and name your alarm however you wish to. Save it by hitting done. Click snooze and decide how many minutes your snooze will take. Then use this switcher next to vibrate while ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. And to save it, use this little icon of a check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To turn it off or on, use this switcher next to it. To delete it, hold it, click on delete button and wait. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. And to make some changes, just click on it, change whatever you want to, and click on the same check mark. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!